Hey toy fans, today I will be showing you all 5 vehicles from the Hot Wheels Star Wars character vehicle collection. Included in this collection we do have the master himself, Yoda. We have everyone's favourite Wookiee warrior, Chewbacca. The evil Lord, Darth Vader. The plucky little astromech droid, R2-D2. And finally, Luke Skywalker. So first off we have the very small and very cute looking Yoda, or Yoda Mobile, let's call it that. We have the engine at the back in chrome, flexible ears as well, which are a great little addition, and we have a green glass to the front. Next up we have the larger of all the vehicles, it is Chewbacca. The wheels are very off-road style, big grips. We have a textured front as well with the fur style imprint. We have a very long flatbed with the crossbow style weaponry as well added into it. So a very cool looking vehicle. Next up we have Darth Vader. How awesome is this, guys? Of course it is fashioned upon Darth Vader's helmet, which is the top part there. Then we have the chest plate control panel there as well, which they have put into the vehicle in the middle. And then we have the breathable part of Darth Vader's mask there, showing up at the front of the vehicle. Very low and very sleek, shiny looking vehicle. Next up it is the plucky little astromech droid, R2-D2, a very small compact car this one, the engine on the side, the exhaust system coming through to the bottom. We have a translucent dome section as well, the R2-D2 dome, which is where the driver's section is there, and a few chrome blue pieces mainly on the wheels. And here is Luke Skywalker. This is fashioned upon the X-Wing fighter pilot uniform that Luke does wear, and I will point out straight away, which is very cool about this car, we have the lightsabers with the blue lightsaber tip there and one either side. That is very cool. The lightsaber blade is actually translucent blue, so that is a very nice addition. It is battle damaged or weathered to the rear, and we have a translucent green glass to the front, but all in all a very cool looking vehicle. So there they are, 5 of the Hot Wheels Star Wars character vehicles. Which one is your favourite, guys? If I had to pick, it will definitely be the Darth Vader vehicle. That is just one awesome looking toy. Well guys, thanks for dropping by for this Hot Wheels toy review, and do check back next time for more awesome toy reviews.